What is up, Star Nation? Welcome back to another episode. Today we will be hot firing our lovely third liquid engine. Who is excited? I sure am. And I know for a fact that every single member here at FAR today is ready for a great time out here at FAR. It's just lovely stuff. Theo, tell me how you're feeling today.
I'm feeling pretty excited. Hopefully it goes well.
Yeah, unfortunately right now our countdown is a little bit off, so we're going to adjust that. But as you can see, right now on the launch pad, we are attaching our chamber. That's where all the fire is going to come out of. Once that massive body moves out of the way, you will be free to see our lovely brand new chamber attached to the bottom of that rocket. In just a short 45 minutes,
Less than that.
maybe less than that, perhaps maybe even 30, we will be hot firing, and that is when things are gonna get crazy.
This is so dumb.
This is amazing. This is incredible. I think we're doing a great job. Now why don't you go ahead and leave some questions in the chat? What kind of engine are we doing? What exciting new technologies we have attached to this brand new test stand? I'm sure you guys are dying with questions. In fact, I see one in the chat right now. One that says, "What changes have been made since last Hotfire?" Theo, do you have any insight on that?
So the reason why Hotfire failed last time was because the liquid oxygen main valve froze, because liquid oxygen is very cold, so it froze the valve. And so as a result, all of the fuel came out, but the LOX did not. So the fuel was basically, instead of getting atomized into a little mist and combusting, it spilled on the ground and kind of set the whole thing on fire.
If you didn't see our lovely reel from a couple weeks ago during Big Give, we raised tons of money off of that incident. Huge bounce
It's true.
back for the team.
So the actuator for the ball valve has been redesigned, as well as a lot of minor improvements to the software and to the system. So hopefully we get a good fire today.
How long is the hot fire we're aiming for today?
Because this is going to be a short hot fire, around 5 seconds, I believe. Because we have not fired successfully yet. And there's another question in the chat: what exactly is a hot fire? So this engine will eventually go onto a rocket, and that rocket is going to fly in the air. But liquid engines are very complicated. So before we put it on a rocket, we do a test fire on the ground. So this is testing that our entire propulsion system is working correctly. So then we can iterate and put this engine into a rocket. It's also easy to test it this way because we don't have the same size constraints that we do putting in a rocket, so we can kind of do things an easier way than...
As you can see, there's little pipes and things sticking out of the sides of it. That would not fly if it was in a rocket.
Good pun, Roshan.
Thank you. Worked real hard on that one. All right, back to the shop with me. See, as you can see there, our lovely team members are over there on the pad, making good use of the time that they have left before Hotfire. And in the meantime, we're going to adjust our countdown so that it properly reflects when Hotfire is going to take place. As you can see at the bottom of your screen, you can see two gauges. One of them is for the fuel upstream, and that is the pressure in the tank, which is currently almost 0, and the oxygen upstream. Both of these are for our 2 tanks, which will be pressure fed with the big third tank that you see at the top of the test stand. That one will be pressurized up to 4,000 psi. In fact, it's a converted scuba tank that we're using to press both the oxygen and the fuel out of the nozzle. Yeah, that's how our Hotfire is working. Pressure fed system. We'll do some team member interviews when they come here to the control room.
We will.
And you guys will get to hear from firsthand how people are basically negotiating different compromises around the rocket, what kind of things are changing, and why we are still standing next to the rocket with 22 minutes left till Hotfire. 22, folks. Isn't that exciting?
This countdown means nothing.
This countdown means everything. Where are we testing this? We're currently in the Mojave Desert. It is at this place called Friends of Amateur Rocketry, or FAR for short. It's been around for about 15 years. It's run by these sweet gentlemen who ride around on ATVs. And we camp out here and we put together the test stand and fire it and leave. And they're so generous to let us stay here for several days at a time, 2 days at a time, to really put this together and make sure it works properly. Get it? Properly? Because propulsion. That's another good pun from good old Roshan. All right. Speaking of, it looks like the chamber is pretty attached. In fact, it's safe to say that they're just screwing on the final bits now of that chamber, which you can see right now. Plug in, yeah, all we have to do is plug in the PTs and the thermocouples, and we should be good to go. The PTs are pressure transducers. They measure the pressure in every single one of the chambers. We have one at the top and bottom of every tube, every tank, except for the big pressure tank, the 4,000 psi one at the top, in which that one only has one pressure transducer at the bottom. And then we also have 4 pressure transducers in our chamber to measure what the pressure of the chamber is during Hotfire. So as there's lots of fire coming out of it, we will also be able to measure the temperature and pressure of the nozzle and the throat of the chamber accurately, which will be very important to us so that we can easily reiterate anything that went well and improve upon anything that went bad. Looks like that chamber is attached. It seems like only Marwan is holding on to it. When will we get to see an actual launch? Well, lucky for you, we have a solid demo scheduled for April 4th.
True.
And we are looking to launch just the airframe and recovery system of our rocket, not the liquid engine, with a solid motor inside instead. This helps us test like the integrity of the fins, the structure of the rocket, as well as the balance, be it the center of mass or the center of pressure of the rocket, and see if our rocket is really long right now, so to see if it actually literally snaps in half during launch, because it is really, really long. In fact, if you go to our socials, you'll be able to see the rocket that we've been working on through the reels and photos that we've been taking on Instagram, through our stories and our CalStar Berkeley. Everybody at CalStar Berkeley.
No Cal. Just Star Berkeley.
At Star Berkeley. At Star Berkeley. All right. Looks like everybody has moved away from the chamber, except for a couple people who are moving back. But most of the people should be walking away from the rocket now, as you can see. Just a few. I think they are, which means they should be doing a cold flow soon, and then we're not cold flowing?
No, that was never the plan. We
Oh.
cold flowed earlier, remember?
But I thought we were going to cold flow one more time.
No.
Oh.
That was Ahil speaking.
Oh, okay. We are not going to cold flow. I was misinformed. We will just do Hotfire straight away. Anything else to add, Theodore? Okay. Well, we'll take a quick intermission. Feel free. We'll keep the cams up, and feel free to just rock out. We'll have some people up on camera just kind of wave if they need to. See you in a bit. We have another question in the chat. How long is the rocket? It is 20 feet long. It's absurdly long. In fact, we took a photo of the airframe team working on the rocket, and the rocket was out of the photo. It literally extended out of the photo. We have another question in the chat. Oh, and I keep forgetting to mute my laptop. As you can see right now, it's just about 5:30. That afternoon sun is really shining into the. It seems like right now is a good time to show Mach 1 hot sauce advertisement. Unfortunately, we did not bring any Mach 1 hot sauce with us to FAR. We pack very lightly because we want to be as efficient as possible.
I think we ran out. Mach 1 hot sauce. Feel free to send us some more hot sauce. Star Berkeley, sponsored by Mach 1 hot sauce. And Red Bull.
Very exciting. Stay hydrated. Yes, please. We are drinking tons of water. In fact, we ran out of water on our first day here.
No, we got more.
We got more now.
How much water did we bring?
We brought more water. Plenty more water. In fact, enough water to last us till after Hotfire. 2-gallon jugs and a full crate of Costco water. Exciting stuff. On top of these 7 crates which ran out on the first day. It is really hot out here, folks. Really hot. I was standing out there for a bit yesterday. I was working on the DAC box, and now that the DAC box is finished, I get to sit in the nice control room, which has fans. But out there, you turn into a different person. The heat is just, it's unfathomable. Your arms are burning. People come and miss you every couple of times, and it feels really good. And then the water evaporates, and you feel worse. In times like this, we really need to band together and get the project done. So I'm so excited to be back in the control room, and I'm hoping that a lot of my teammates can be back here soon, so that we can all experience Hotfire together in the same room. It'll be very cool. In fact, we have a camera set up in our control room, which we will show you once everybody gets in here, and that will showcase everybody standing in the control room at the same time watching Hotfire. So it'll be very exciting. I'm going to mute now. I'm going to take a quick break, and feel free to send more questions in the chat. I will answer them as soon as I'm back. Star out. I'm back, Carlos. I'm sorry.
Are they watching it?
Yeah, Carlos is watching. Hey, Carlos, how's it going back home? We are not doing much. Looks like a lot of us are just taking a look at the prop system, doing the final checks we need before. Yeah. Cryo gear needs to get done. That's our dear friend Sean's job, who is over there next to the ladder. Don't know what he's holding up to. Oh, is that Kush?
That's Kush.
That's totally Kush. And that's Carlos in the corner. I don't know where Sean is. Sean is our cryo guy. So we will see him. Yeah, very exciting. Very exciting. More fancy UI. Thank you. Would you like to talk to the creator of the fancy UI?
What's up, Matthew? Thanks for the compliment.
It's
Yeah.
inspired by the SpaceX launches.
It was. But this is going to be even better than the SpaceX launches, because, yeah.
We're better than the SpaceX.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Star.
It's Star. Who has a cooler name than Star? Star is such a cool name.
Definitely not SpaceX.
Yeah, SpaceX is, that's not a cool name. I don't know. I gotta work on that one. SpaceX is really cool. I don't know what to tell you. Alright. looks like some stuff is underway. A lot of the necessary team has moved out of the way, leaving just a couple core members left to attend to the chamber, attach PTs and TCs and all that. Oh, look, Aiden is hopping over to check things out. It also looks like they're donning cryo gear. This is exciting stuff, guys. As soon as the cryo gear comes on, that means there's only 1 or 2 people left on the launch pad. Because that means things get dangerous. Real dangerous. I know a thing or two about danger. So. Yep.
It's being
Live stream. Looks pro as F. Said Matt.
Thank you.
That is one of the questions. When will we get to see an actual launch? On April 4th. April 4th, solid demo. Oh yeah, we could put that outside.
It's 91 degrees and sunny.
It's now 88 degrees.
88
Oh,
degrees.
it's
It's
gone
90 degrees outside, basically. We're in a room that's completely painted black. The walls are like radiating heat. It's
Why did they do that? By the way?
I don't know.
AC
It's
doesn't
not
work.
not a good decision. Yeah, there's no AC in this room. It's like an oven, but it's like an air fryer because there's fans, so there's convection to a certain extent. Unfortunately, the fans are not quite articulated, so they only can point up or down, but not in any direction. So they don't point directly at us. You don't get good fans, but it still helps with circulation. Very useful stuff. How are we looking, Star Nation? Should we call one of the members down there on the pad? No, we should not, because they are busy. In the meantime, we'll tell you about our sponsors. Mach 1 Hot Sauce. Exciting stuff. Tried it for the first time. Loved it. Never going back. Sriracha, bye-bye. Mach 1 Hot Sauce is in. Yes, you have.
What about Red Bull?
Red Bull is another sponsor. Big fan of that one. They provide caffeine to us, especially in our latest nights, darkest hours. Red Bull's there to pull us from the trenches. Keeps
How we
us
survived
up.
the drive up here.
It is how we survive the drive down here. Solid demo launching. That will be on April 4th. We will have an 05500. Oh, the igniter rod is also going in right now. By the way, big news. But yes, solid demo will launch April 4th. Igniters, very important. Otherwise, the fuel would not burn, or and our hot fire would not happen. So as they install the igniter, we can see there lots of people reaching up into the nozzle, making sure it's placed properly. And there we go. Vivian has kindly moved out of the way to show us. Look at that. See it better on our screen, but as they place it a little further up into the chamber, Theo, you want to tell us how the igniter works? It's like electrical current.
I actually don't know.
Oh. I know it's like a mess of wires around 2 big wooden dowels, but I don't know what exactly takes place and how the igniter is ignited. Ignitioned. We'll talk to a prop member about that one. Hey, look. What is Kush doing right now? Kush is doing amazing Kush things. He doesn't seem to be on the pad right now specifically. But we can see Aiden walking in the background. He should be, I think that's his hand coming into the camera. Should be standing right there. I actually do not see him on the pad. We will find Kush for you.
Oh, they told us what Ignite is. In the chat. Your friend Matt.
Matt taught us about igniters. Thank you, Matt.
There's Kush.
Cameras are good. We're live.
Okay, where's Anand's iPad?
Right here.
Okay, can we get that connected to Switch, please? Who's using the Switch that is not?
Look at this Bozo's password.
Excuse me.
This Bozo's password.
It's like 2 triangles.
That's mine.
Yeah, here's the Switch.
Oh crap.
It's fine. It's I already set up server on the side. Just plug it in, and then you're ready to go. When it's back.
We gotta check if it works though. You know the password? No one knows?
It's like 1209.
Ooh, that sounds right. Six digits, bro.
It's 4 4
Zero,
zero
zero, zero, zero,
zero.
zero, zero. Not getting anything yet. Oh, that's cute. It looks good.
Kush, lock the hell in.
This works, right?
Oh, engineers.
Yeah, we're geniuses or what?
Yep.
It's like inverting over the fuck.
We got some new comments in the chat.
Need Kush attached to the next rocket launch. Yes, sir. We will do that.
No. Yes. Is it actually working?
Not really.
Wait, Motion, what do you think?
I couldn't feel anything.
Fuck.
It was the same.
Continue with commentary. Everybody's coming in for the controller.
No, this is just.
I think we feel like a better first to go. Whatever. Is there one
Can we
place
fix
also?
this?
Aiden, I'm gonna move your laptop, okay?
Yeah, do whatever you want. You can plug if you want. I don't care.
Sorry, I'm unplugging it.
Go for it.
That side system, that side system.
On the
Here.
dance floor.
Alright, that's good. Yeah, box right here.
Cameras are getting hot again. Oh, set it up when
You can use that over there.
That's right. I'm doing that.
Okay, I have flag on my system.
You guys, go
No drift sensor. You know how fuel on start regulated.
Okay, can you do us a favor?
Yes.
Because I was on my way home, somebody stuck out there. And so Eric went out there to get him unstuck. I saw somebody bringing this box over here. Who was that?
Yeah, me.
You know where it goes?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you guys are done, if you could, take out the key, unplug it, okay?
Yeah.
And then put it back there?
Yeah.
Okay, and you guys are on a green box?
Yes.
Do you know how to use this?
Yeah.
You just flip that on, you turn
Key.
it on, and then fire.
Plug it in,
Plug it in. Key on.
plug it in. I told my wife I'd do one in a couple hours.
Okay.
That was an hour ago and I got it.
I don't want to turn the key on because igniter is live.
Well, there's no electricity out there until you flip the green switches and push the button.
Don't flip the switch and you can finish. Ultimate failure.
Okay. So what's this is blinking? It's saying like, hey, I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
Right.
And that's why you guys have the green box, this green switch up, and where's the other green? And this one green up. Two greens up, then you're gonna do your countdown, and
Yeah.
then push this button.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay, we turn this off right
How
now.
does it indicate continuity, if at all?
Beep.
It'll beep
Up there,
okay.
yeah, yeah. Well, this light, see how this light's blinking?
Yep.
Well, yeah, that's saying that, hey, I have no continuity. Okay, when they hook up the igniter and you push these green switches, this will be solid.
I see.
That's continuity
Yep.
check. And then they also have one out there.
Yeah.
Where they push the button.
Yeah, it's the
The green one?
green button right now, or the green box.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, there's a little red light on the bottom.
Yeah, yeah.
And right above that's the black button completion that beeps.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good trip. We're on chat engagement.
Me?
Yeah.
Okay, team, let's do
Turn
this.
actually chat.
Okay, this
go
is
team.
just a static test, right?
Yes, start fire.
Okay, and this is like a big solar
Star.
heating
For
room.
what? YouTube?
So you don't need those
For
windows,
YouTube,
do you?
yeah.
No.
Okay, and I could probably pull these down halfway.
Sure. We shall
That'll
sign-
cut down a lot of the heat that you're getting.
Okay.
Thank you.
Just calling you, just to call you. Okay. To give you, are you plugged in right now? Yeah. Do you want me to turn it on?
Look, stop asking me that, Fish.
He wants to check continuity.
Just
Guys. Setting sorry on on? What are you saying? Hello, what are you saying? Yeah, you want me to give you want to test it? Okay. Okay. Do you want me to arm the igniter box?
Should close, right?
So they put the wood.
You can see it sitting there.
It's too hot there. I'm taking the floor right now. Is it hot over there?
Yes.
Okay, you don't have to do anything.
Somebody took our longer stick, probably for firewood. So
Uh-oh.
is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Well, I don't. You don't have continuity from the igniter box. Do you want me to give you continuity from the igniter box? Okay. When I do this, tell me if you have continuity. Okay. Do you have continuity now? Yeah. Now check. Okay. Well, the igniter box is armed, so. Do you hear any beep or anything like that?
Doesn't there any power? Do they power theirs?
What's up?
Do they power theirs?
Did you guys power yours? Did you guys plug your thing into power? The igniter box. How do you think it's gonna give power to your system when you don't plug it into power? Okay. Then yeah, I don't know.
We'll just turn the key off for now.
Is it gonna explode? Forrest asks. It's not.
Yes. Okay. Okay. We sure we're pad 5? Okay, let me get a break. Okay, you're continuing on my side. It's solid yellow now. Okay. Unarmed. Okay, unarmed. Okay, we good to proceed, President? We're good to proceed? Everything good? Are we good to go forward? Okay.
Is it plugged in over there? See it? Yeah.
What was the issue?
The constitution.
power's not plugged in.
I kept saying that.
That's what I fucking said.
That's what I was trying to
And
find.
you're like,
Rick.
there's no
I
hard
figured
cable
just something
on it.
with the box.
Okay, because I knew you don't have to do this.
Do you want to take it off this then?
Turn it off.
Oh, it's
Yeah.
oh, it is off. Sorry.
Yeah, proceed, Oscar. 550. I'm pretty close.
You're fine. We're definitely gonna let it at this point.
Yeah, I know.
Just gotta do it.
They're
I
gonna
know.
we're hooked up. We're good.
You're fine.
We have to hurry after. We're gonna clean everything up really fast. Okay.
Yeah, speed.
We're just gonna wait for the chamber.
Cool
We're
down.
gonna start packing the U-Haul right away.
Yeah.
All right. Understood? Okay.
Can you tell the recovery team that?
Huh?
Can you go tell the recovery team
Yeah.
that?
I'll tell them to be.
Like, there should be no reason that they're not ready to go.
That's what I've been saying.
So go one step further. Tell me you can
Let me find all my shit. My wallet's missing.
I don't know what any of my shit is.
My keys.
acquired.
See my keys. I have my wallet. The wallet's here.
Lost. Thank you. Those AirPods are probably lost.
I can find my other AirPods, please.
How many AirPods do you have?
I have two. They're both like $10 Amazon AirPods.
So not AirPods, right?
No. Everything's being 0. I'm so happy no drift, bro.
No drift?
No drift.
I think the drift takes longer than you think it does.
Also, GN2 rag is cooked still, dude.
Like, put them away.
It's still free hanging. Something's not
Really?
cooking. Yeah.
Fix that one. That one was.
Because it's being the same exact value
Is
as
GN2 reg the same as MP?
What's up?
Is GN2 reg and MP midpoint the same on the rocket?
Yes.
Fix that one. I thought.
I think it's just not plugged in.
No, I plugged it in. That's what I'm saying. I found that it wasn't plugged in. I fixed it. I thought.
Because it's being the same thing as locks upstream.
You're fine, right?
Yeah, we have GN2 high. Your stuff not even right. Okay, we're filling aux right now. Okay. Close that. Okay, aux is sitting at 30. Just got RTD spot open. Controller pot open.
Are we
recording locally though? If you want it.
Not right now, but I will.
Lock staying at negative 10 degrees right now, Adnan, just a heads up. It's dropping very fast. Negative 20 now. It's dropping pretty fast.
I was just really excited.
Exactly. I was just really excited.
We haven't seen it.
So we're in like the same situation.
I don't see them in August vacation, but look what shit is out. Like, I don't know.
You just gotta get this face for me.
What? What for you?
You just gotta get this face for me.
Okay, negative 100 now, Adnan. That's lower locks. Mid locks is negative. Mid locks is negative 50.
Hey, you're wearing your bandana like I wear mine. I was wearing
Reading negative 150 on the middle. I don't know how accurate that is because I don't see locks coming out. So just a heads up. On the middle. So I don't see any locks coming out from the vent. Also, why is the locks vent pointing down? The electronic one pointing
You can
down.
keep it open for the chat.
Should I stop this one?
Great.
I think the lower came off.
Yeah, I think the lower came off. Yeah.
This tape's really bad on here. Not anyway.
Okay, we're gonna get to the fire stage. I want everyone's eyes on the TV. Okay, no, not talking to you, Adnan. Okay, yeah. RTD saturates at negative 165.
I'm gonna go outside.
Okay. Everyone, when we get to the fire stage, I want everyone eyes on the cameras and look for any sign of smoke coming out the chamber. Okay. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do igniter first. I'll hit the fire button. You will see igniter come out, and then Otto will hit the fire button on his iPad. Okay. So keep your eyes open for the fire. Okay. Already smoke coming out the chamber.
I'll yell from outside too.
Yeah. Do you see liquid coming out? I feel like I see liquid coming out. Negative 4K in the GSC high, 1.8 in GSC mid. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're approaching fire stage, guys. Just a heads up.
They don't care anymore. They're just tired of us.
To what? You want me to say? Yes, I agree.
Yes. They're letting the Pope announce it.
Thanks for
Just ping the entire team, being like firing in 2 minutes.
Only in 2 minutes?
Yeah.
The thing that's like that, it says 13.
Fix it?
I paused
No, it's paused, yeah.
because we're very limited with bandwidth, and the stream is already lagged to begin with, and more people on the network does not help.
How many people are on the stream?
It just nobody's watching from here at this point. It's just who's watching?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, we're gonna be.
Okay, your iPad's ready to go, dude.
So we need people to enter the bunkers, please.
We need this open?
Oh, you'll have to ask Eric.
Want them open? You're trying to.
Here, you
I
can
don't
see. You
care.
see.
I'm
You see.
not looking.
Yeah. Okay. Everyone, eyes on the camera. Okay. All right. Let me know when you want to go igniter on.
Okay. We go press standby. Do you need to press?
Okay. You need to hide.
Silence, guys, please. Where's someone? Are they coming? Eric or Rick?
I was gonna do that. Eric's not here.
We're doing it ourselves. They taught us what do you think night bombs. We're like, do it. But like, can I press?
Is Rick just gonna stand there?
Someone go ask Rick if I can press.
We're not pressed. The water's up there.
I'm good. I'm good. I'm good. Can I go like? Live stream's down.
Oh, no, this is just
Look up.
paused.
That's YouTube. Look up.
Oh, okay.
This is what the actual stream is.
Can I press?
You say no?
Do you see anything?
He was out there and he's not there anymore.
I think people are still getting bunkers.
Hello, fuel rich.
Hello, if you're rich. You see a lot of suit. It's not gonna be cold. It's fine. Cold is better than warm. I'd rather be feel rich than odds rich. What is going on, dude? This is not acceptable.
Yeah.
He's coming, he's coming.
Don't leave the monitor here.
No.
Is the box here?
Yeah.
No, super. Maybe like.
Ahil, what's going on? What does one mean?
I hear him. Someone's driving.
Should we refill?
Can you have a control? Can you do it from here?
Can we refill?
Is the door open?
Refill locks.
Yeah.
Is locks venting?
It's all boiling right now.
You just fucking do. Roll.
Pressure's not increasing that much, is it? What's pressure at? What's left?
Said to make sure. He said wait, make sure everyone's in the bunkers and tell us when. Didn't say. Can we press?
Hey, can you guys go back outside and get back on press?
What?
You're not press Phil.
What? don't know.
What's Oxpress reading?
Hasn't gone up. What? I don't know what you're doing. What's going on? What's wrong?
We need
Oh,
Rick.
Lox is leaving. Oh yeah, I understand that. So
gone.
what's happening?
He's just like taking forever. I don't know. He's really slow. He's like he's in the bathroom with people and shit. I don't know.
Did Eric leave?
Eric
Yeah.
left, yeah.
Oh, someone needs to clean the mill.
Anyone who has to do it. Not right now. Okay.
Are you good on lock still or no?
Oh, is it above or below 20?
What?
Is it above or below 20 psi?
I mean, it's like 30 off shifter. I think it's at 20.
I think we don't know. We haven't seen Eric. I think he's still gone, probably, right? Oh, I haven't seen him. We haven't seen him in a while.
Did he say he's leaving?
Yeah, he's gonna go pick someone's got stocks. He's gonna go help them.
He's helping someone.
Some people Rick said it to us, dude.
Where's Grabs? No Grabs? Here?
Who's best one?
Just this is fine.
This is a photograph.
Oh, it's my main.
Yeah, Lox is sitting at 75, dude.
Clean up.
I think I'm gonna refill.
Sean, let's go.
Can you guys like speed walk over there, please?
Over there.
He's not coming back. He left.
That's all day. What?
Oh, there goes our ladder. That was funny. Good one. Wind. You win this one.
Ooh. It's like the past tense of win.
Chat, clip that. The pun, not the ladder falling over.
Menno. Jackson.
Say that on stream.
Thank God. Put that in the clip that you want to use.
Chat, clip that.
Let's move on.
Are we still waiting for Eric? Didn't he go to save somebody who got stuck in the sand? Yes, when Rick's like, how did he do that? We'll be right back.
Okay, we're back.
Box has been refilled.
That's what we're doing.
It's refilled. The pressure's back down. Oh, is it video?
This you mean? No, it's just like that's just air.
Jeez Louise,
Can you pick up his phone?
Yeah, no idea what's happening. No idea what's happening.
No, not yet. We're waiting for you.
Why is there another clock?
Can you just pick up his phone, dude?
Eric, give me a thumbs up if you got him out. Oh, okay.
Can one of these dumbasses pick up their
Come on
fucking phone?
in. Come on in.
Hello.
Muted until Hotfire. stack.
Is audio coming in here? Audio's from the lab.
Good. Press.
Press. Okay.
Alright.
Press.
Just let me do it.
You got it. I'm gonna press standby right now.
Everything's vented, right?
Yes. GN2 high is at 100 by the way. Just heads up.
Yeah, we can.
GSC highs. Yeah, there we go. Good. Beautiful.
Ready? Press it.
Yes. Our COPV sitting at 1,000. Our fuel sitting at 560. We're pressing locks now.
Locks 300.
Locks 300. Locks 400.
Repress.
Dude, that's a big ass thing. Locks 300, 400, 500, 550.
Who's telling me to fire?
Around the room, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, are we good?
We're ready to fire.
Can we? I'm gonna arm igniter.
Yeah.
Tell me when you want to fire.
Okay. I'm continuous. Okay. Firing igniter in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire! Oh. System in though.
Okay. That means lock's open.
Locks open.
Right? The graphs? Yeah.
Make it safe.
Fuel
Vent
tank.
everything down. We still have an igniter burning on the hood. Just went out. Fuel.
Yeah, it's the
Wait,
fucking.
wait, I don't think we need reds yet. I have everything still.
Yeah, the screws from the injector broke.
Yeah. At least it's not the.
Yeah.
Hopefully it's just screws.
Yeah, it's the screws.
The chamber's still there, right?
Yeah, chamber's still there, just injector.
Do you have pressure readings?
Yes, right now COPV is sitting at 1,000.
Okay.
What do you call it? Fuel
Oh,
option.
I see. The fuel line. We don't have fuel, but let's see. I believe. Yeah, I have fuel vent. Fuel's for sure vented.
Yeah.
We don't have reading though.
Yeah.
Um.
And then COPV is sitting at 1,600.
Okay, can you close, vent all that down?
I'm trying to.
Yeah.
I'm trying to vent COPV.
Locks is also gone on mine.
Yeah. Okay, we still have
Fuel's off,
COPV
right?
reading.
Yeah,
Okay, I got COPV open.
And then we don't have. Yeah, we have GSC reading still.
Fuel is off, right?
Yeah, the fuel fills off. Then we turn igniter off.
Well, we know what the pressures are.
COPV is down to 500.
And dropping.
And what is your propellant mix?
Fuel, we don't have a reading, but
Yes.
I heard the vent go off when I pressed it.
Okay.
It's a pretty. The vent's very fast now. We changed it.
And locks is empty?
Locks. Here, I can open. Can I open locks main? No.
No, locks. You can try.
Is it moving?
I don't see it moving.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Pneumatics are gone. Okay.
Do you have a PT reading?
No, the locks one is gone as well.
Okay.
But 5 minutes.
Do you have COPV?
Yeah.
COPV is
CSU is 270
it's at
and dropping.
270.
270. So the max we could be is at 270.
Yes.
And then the very small system it still has 4K.
The GSC
on the
is
table.
Yeah, on the table.
But we
Yes,
can vent
yeah.
that from the bottle as well.
Yeah. We have
That's,
control.
I'm not worried about
Yeah.
that issue.
So the propellant max is 240.
Yeah. COPV is holding steady at 240 by the way.
And dropping.
Yeah. 230.
It's just slowing down, dropping. Yeah.
That's venting from where? Is that venting from
The
the-
ground.
Huh?
The ground. The injector face.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
The
so it-
COPV is
It vents through the tanks.
Oh.
So
It
it's-
it should be venting through the tanks and on the ground.
Yeah.
yeah.
If
So
everything's on.
Yeah.
it can't be above 240. in
No.
the
Yeah.
tanks.
No.
That's what I wanted to
Yeah.
confirm.
Yeah. Not 200 for the tanks and COPV.
Okay. Well, nothing's burning right now. We're just gonna wait.
Yeah. And it's a clear shear.
So you think it was a hard start, or because we had smoke in there?
Yeah.
I think. Oh yeah, it's it's our dumb mistake. The phenolic was slightly too high.
Oh,
Tall.
okay.
We were supposed to sand it, so we didn't. So all the screws holding it were slightly canceled.
We have a belt sander, dude.
I know.
It's
we just-
inside. You can't like. It's like there's like a metal thing. And it's inside of it. It's
Yeah,
like,
you
We could have done it by hand, easy. We just.
You couldn't pull the phenolic
Yeah,
out.
it's
and
No,
just shove it on the belt
RTV
sander.
did. Yeah.
I got a die grinder.
On the ground for that.
The engine's
Alright.
in one piece. It
Okay.
looks like.
It's to the left.
190 COPV.
Let it drop.
At least the hosing didn't all burn.
like 7 more maybe.
Well, let's get it safe and get picked up.
Yeah.
And
Roger
get
that.
back
Water
here.
wire storage.